Hey, good to see you. Have you ever noticed a strange feeling in your feet? Maybe it starts as a light tingling, almost like tiny pins and needles. Then slowly, it turns into burning or numbness, and sometimes it even makes walking uncomfortable or painful. Now let me ask you something important. Are you over the age of 60? If yes, then what you're feeling is not unusual. In fact, millions of older adults experience this every single day. But here's the part most people don't realize. This is not something you should just ignore. And it's not something you have to live with forever. Because today, I'm going to share something very simple with you. A gentle, easy, 1-minute movement that can help wake up your nerves, improve blood flow, and may start reducing that discomfort in your feet and legs. And we're also going to talk about something even more surprising. Certain everyday foods that might be quietly making your condition worse. Foods you may be eating right now, thinking. Certain everyday foods that might be quietly making your condition worse. Foods you may be eating right now, thinking they are normal, but over time, they could be damaging your nerves. Don't worry. I'll also show you what to eat instead. Everything in this video is simple, safe, and easy to follow, so take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin, step by step. What is neuropathy? Deep but simple explanation. First, let's understand what's really happening inside your body. The word neuropathy may sound complicated, but the idea is actually very simple. It means your nerves are not working properly. Your nerves are like tiny wires. They carry signals between your brain and your body. They tell your feet how to move. They help you feel the ground. They control balance and coordination. But as we age, these nerves can become weaker. Sometimes, they become damaged. And when that happens, your body starts sending strange signals. That's why you may feel tingling, burning, numbness, sharp pain, or even weakness in your legs. Now here's something very important. Your nerves need two main things to stay healthy. Good blood circulation, proper nutrition. Without these two, your nerves slowly become less active, less responsive, and more sensitive to pain. And unfortunately, as we get older, circulation naturally slows down. We move less, we sit more. Blood flow becomes weaker in the lower body. That's why neuropathy often starts in the feet. But here's the good news. You can improve circulation starting today. And you don't need a gym. You don't need heavy exercise. Just one simple movement can make a difference. The one simple movement, very detailed and slow. Now let's talk about the most important part of this video. The simple movement that can help your feet and legs feel alive again. It's called the heel-to-toe rock. Now don't let the name confuse you. This is one of the easiest exercises you can do at. Now don't let the name confuse you. This is one of the easiest exercises you can do at home. Let me guide you slowly. Take your time with this. Step 1. Find support. Stand near a wall or hold the back of a chair. This is just for balance. There's no rush. Step 2. Lift your heels. Now slowly. Lift your heels off the ground so your body weight moves onto your toes. Hold this position gently for about 2 seconds. Feel the stretch in your feet. Feel your muscles waking up. Step 3. Rock back. Now slowly lower your heels and lift your toes slightly so your weight moves back. Again. Hold for 2 seconds. Step 4. Repeat slowly. Now continue this gentle rocking motion. Forward, onto your toes, back, onto your heels, slow, controlled, relaxed. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Why this works? Important explanation. Now you might be thinking, it's too simple. How can this help? But here's what's happening inside your body. This movement acts like a pump. Every time you rock forward and back, you are pushing blood through your lower legs. That blood carries oxygen and nutrients directly to your nerves. It also stimulates the tiny nerve endings in your feet, helping them wake up again. And over time, It can improve balance, stability, and confidence while walking. Many seniors who do this daily say their feet feel lighter, warmer, and less numb. When to do it? For best results, do it once in the morning and once in the evening. That's it. Just a few minutes a day can begin to make a difference. Powerful transition, diet warning. But now, I need to tell you something very important. Even if you do this movement every day, you may still struggle with symptoms if your diet is working against you. Because some foods, slowly, quietly, damage your nerves over time. And the worst part, most people don't even realize it. Let's talk about these foods so you can protect your body starting to. Most people don't even realize it. Let's talk about these foods so you can protect your body starting today. Foods that damage nerves, extended version. 1. Sugar, the silent enemy. Sugar may taste sweet, but inside your body, it can be very harmful. When you consume too much sugar, it damages tiny blood vessels. These are the same vessels that feed your nerves. Over time, your nerves receive less oxygen, less nutrition, and they begin to weaken. This can increase burning sensations, tingling, numbness. Common sources include sweets, biscuits, soft drinks, packaged juices, even foods that don't taste very sweet may contain hidden sugar. 2. Processed foods. Anything that comes in a packet and lasts for weeks or months is often highly processed. These foods contain chemicals, preservatives, artificial flavors. They can increase inflammation in your body. And inflammation is one of the biggest causes of nerve pain. 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are heavy. 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are heavy, oily, and difficult for the body to process. They can slow down blood circulation, increase cholesterol, put stress on your heart, and poor circulation means your nerves suffer. 4. Alcohol. Even small amounts, over time, can damage nerve endings. It can also reduce important vitamins, especially vitamin B, and without these vitamins, your nerves cannot repair themselves properly. 5. Missing nutrients. Sometimes the issue is not just bad food. It's also the absence of good nutrition. Your body needs vitamin B12, magnesium, healthy fats. Without these,